It's surprising how something as fundamental as breathing often goes untaught. But don't worry, learning how to breathe efficiently is quite simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Diaphragmatic breathing. The most efficient way to breathe is through diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing. This involves using your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle located below your lungs, to draw air into your lungs. When you inhale, your diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for your lungs to expand and fill with air. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. You can place one hand on your abdomen and the other on your chest to feel your breathing. Inhale through your nose. Slowly inhale through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise as you fill your lungs with air. Focus on breathing deeply into your belly rather than into your chest. Your chest should remain relatively still while your abdomen expands. Exhale through your mouth. Slowly exhale through your mouth, allowing your abdomen to fall as you release the air from your lungs. Try to exhale completely, getting rid of as much air as possible. Repeat. Continue this pattern of deep, slow breathing, focusing on the rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. Aim for a smooth and steady rhythm without any strain or effort. Practice regularly. Incorporate diaphragmatic breathing into your daily routine. You can do it while sitting at your desk, before bed, or whenever you feel stressed or anxious. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Efficient breathing not only helps to oxygenate your body more effectively, but also promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and improves overall well-being. It's a simple yet powerful technique that can have a profound impact on your health and happiness.